Is there make sure there's no bugs, anak. I want the sun though. Are you not cold, anak? Oh, it's I just talked to Christina. It's smoking. Where they at? Yeah. No, and then now they're like uh man camp at mile 41 is they're being evacuated and miles away and pushing strong towards the highway. So it's a high fire and lightning activity is expected tomorrow. Yeah. No, that's why we have to watch. We don't have any dry area in our here, right, Han? Oh, is that an egg? Oh wow, what you do? That's a lot of sand. Is that an egg? Oh, what happened? What is that? How about here? Let's sit here. I don't. Here, bring it here. There's more dirt here. Oh, what happened? Ah, no, no. What happened? You. Okay, dun. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at me. So, do you want a smaller sandbox now? Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, circle. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's a good one. Yep. Agree. I think our home is where our hearts is, right? That's true. The home is where our heart is. Oh, daddy didn't do mow the lawn. Look at that.